Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Afif Diamanajat. I'm from technical department. Now I will explain about workpiece that use hand power in the engine room. In this video, I can explain little about that these objects are and their function. 1. First is fish. Fish hold the workpiece during operation such sewing, welding, setting or drilling. And number 2 is filler cage. The function of filler cage is measure the presence of gap or gap in each part the machine that is contact with each other. Number 3 is double-ended offset ring spanner. The function is of the ring wrench is to loosen and clean bolt or not with different position. Number 4 is hammer. Hammer is a building tool that is often used to pound about object so that they are firmly embedded, where usually the object that is hit is a knife. Number 5, screwdriver. Screwdriver is used to see in order to determine or loosen various components. Number 6, shock lock. The function of shock lock is adjust or loosen the bolt and nut contained in various components. Number 7 is hand drill. Hand drill, the function is usually used to drill iron or wood. Number 8, hook wrench. Hook wrench, the function hook wrench as lock or container of an object that does not move. Hook wrench has several types. Namely, hook span. 1 is hook spanner, adjust spanner, pin spanner, and use pendant spanner. Number 9, wrench adjustable. The function of wrench is to remove or tighten bolt and nut when there is no proper wrench and fitting. Number 10, hacksaw. A hacksaw is a saw that is used to cut metal objects such as iron. Number 11 is double-ended spanner. Double-ended spanner, the function is useful for dealing with the head or nut in bolt that are square and hexagonal in shape, while the key ring you can use to remove and tighten the nut that has round head. Number 12 is micrometer. The function micrometer is measure the diameter or thickness of and object in tools has a precision level or than 10 that of caliper. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.